This amazing home answers the question, why move to Florida? The open split floor plan with high ceilings invites you to relax and enjoy every room. As you enter the home, you will be impressed with the cathedral ceilings and the view through the slider door to the large covered porch. Imagine yourself sitting on the large porch and enjoying the tropical backyard. The spacious master suite affords the privacy and comfort that you deserve with a large shower and walk-in closet. Surprise features such as granite counters, porcelain tile, whole house reverse osmosis, water softener, new metal roof, plantation shutters on every window, fresh paint inside and out, and security system show you the lengths this owner has taken to maintain and complete the home. The extra-large laundry room may even make doing laundry fun. Conveniently located close to several golf courses, world-class fishing and boating, miles of canals, shopping, dining and beaches. Call now, do not miss this opportunity for comfort, convenience and class. Some of the furnishings are available under separate negotiation, so just bring your golf clubs, fishing poles and flip-flops. Call now to see this before it is gone.